Hey, this is Pariah Burke, host of the Hard, Heavy, and Hair Show, and I want to thank my buddy Greg Fox from Renaissance Rock Orchestra. See what I just got in the mail? Check this out. Where the hell is the camera? All right. So I don't know if you can see that very well. It is a Renaissance Rock Orchestra CD, A Song of Hope 2020. And it is this cool, and I've been listening to this music. I love it. Can't get the CD open. There we go. So there's the liner notes. There's the disc. 5-song CD. Renaissance Rock Orchestra, A Song of Hope. And got this cool inscription on the front from Greg. Pariah, thanks for all you do for rock and roll and for playing RRO, Renaissance Rock Orchestra. Greg Fox. Thank you, Greg. I really appreciate the CD. And for the rest of you, I'm subscribed to the Hard, Heavy, and Hair Show because I've got a video interview with Greg coming out real soon. So on YouTube, it's youtube.com/pariahrocks. On Twitter and Instagram and MeWe and VK, it's all them at Pariah Rocks. On Facebook, search for the Hard, Heavy, and Hair Show. And subscribe because you're going to want to check out this video interview with Greg. And of course, my other recent interviews with Reb Beach, George Lynch, Shez Kane, and a couple of surprises coming up real soon too. Check it out.